Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about the cameras of Vivo V40. Actually a lot of users want to know about the camera performance of this smartphone, so I am making this video. Vivo V40 series is known for their best cameras. The camera app is very feature rich. You will get all the modes inside the camera, plus in portrait there are 3 options: 24mm, 35mm and 50mm. Also you will get various bokeh effects in the name of Zeiss bokeh player, so you can use them to get your customized bokeh effect. Also you can add beauty effect in your image. There are various modes of beauty effects. Also you can change the postures. Also there are various types of LUT shot styles. You can use them like festival, low light and many others options. You can change the color of the aura light. I have used the camera extensively under daylight condition and I took some sample shots from Vivo V40. In this shot, the main camera performs very well, as you can see here. Also in this shot, you can see that the flowers are clearly visible. There is no added saturation in the photo. In this shot also, you can see that the green color has been balanced excellently, and I have taken some daylight shots. Then I tested the camera in bokeh effect, and in this portrait shot you can see that the subject in focus has been clearly highlighted while the background is excellently blurred. The next shot you can see that I have taken it in photo mode and also the result is excellent. Then I tested the camera in outdoor condition. In this shot you can see the HDR performance of this camera is not so good. The sun in the background has been blurred and also the leaves are not clearly visible. In the other sample shot you can see there is no problem and the photo comes out very well. In the next shot you can see that the dynamic range of this camera seems to perform well. There is a very good balance between the sky and the leaves. Then I tested the videography and it is a 1080p 60 fps video. The video seems to perform very well. Also the dynamic range is excellent and stabilization is good enough. But here and there sometimes I felt there is hiccups and lags and stuttering while shooting videos through this Vivo V40 main camera. The sad part of Vivo V40's camera is that it cannot shoot 4K 60 fps. The maximum footage capacity is 4K 30 fps, and in 4K 30 fps you will get stabilization and also good stabilization. But the problem is here also I felt some stutter and lag while shooting. Though this problem may be solved after future software updates, but with this current update I am facing this problem. It may not be your problem in your unit. Vivo has 50 megapixel selfie camera with Zeiss lens, and the performance from the front camera is also very good. The camera produces some softened image with high level of whiteness in the photo. So if you want to buy Vivo V40 on the basis of photography, you can definitely buy this smartphone. But if you want to shoot videos from this smartphone, you should stay away from this smartphone because the maximum video capability is 4K 30 fps. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to know more about the cameras of this smartphone or any other features of this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.